be making more of your slime ideas, but today is gonna be a little different. I met some of the biggest Peachy Babies fans at the Texas Renaissance Festival, and they gave me amazing ideas. So let's make them. Our first slime idea is from Callie, and she wants me to make a turtle slime. I love turtles, so I'm so excited about this one. And it's a cloud dough, so let's go get our materials. I'm gonna be making this slime into 2 parts with a nice swirl, and I wanna make it themed after the ocean. So this is gonna be like a sea turtle, kind of like Crush from Nemo. For the first half, I'm gonna do a nice blue color, mix that in. So this blue slime is gonna represent the water, and then the green is gonna represent the algae in the ocean. All right, so we got our green and our blue, and now let's make a really nice swirl. Okay, I'm gonna roll it out and hope for the best. I'm gonna smush them together, kind of twist them, something like that. All right, I'm gonna grab my cup and some scissors. All right, so I'm gonna cut it and hope that it looks really good. I'd say that's a pretty good swirl. Now let's add it into our container. So now that we have our slime ready, let's go find the perfect charms. I found these really cute angelfish. This will be perfect on our slime. It'll add a pop of color. I found some bubbles. This is exactly the vibe of Nemo. Some nice little bubbles. Okay, now we need to find the turtles. So we have all the cute little fishies of the ocean, some bubbles, but most importantly, we have little baby Squirt, such a nice little guy. But you know what? We can't leave him alone like Nemo. We gotta give him his dad. And that's why I have the one and only, the coolest dude of the ocean, Crush.
To give me some fin.
Okay, but I love that they are matching. They both have a little heart on their back. That's so cute. But Crush is looking a little weird. He needs a face. So let's bring out some paints and give him a cute face. All right, I have my paints, and we gotta give him a really chill face. He was always like side smiling a little bit, so let's do that. A lesson from Crush. He inspires us to be optimistic, let the ocean take him along for the ride, and he always knows that in the end, everything is gonna be okay. Let's add him to our slime. There we go. This is a beautiful and inspirational slime. I think it's one of my favorite slimes I've ever made, but we need a label, so let's make it. I already have the design made and it looks super cute, but for the title, I'm kind of confused. Like, what should we name him? Oh, I have an idea. I like turtles. All right, let's go print it. Wow, this looks so beautiful. Now I just have to package it up and send it to you. It's so cute. All right, now we have to move on to the next one. So Autobots, roll out. This next slime is gonna be for Santi. Santi requested that I make an Optimus Prime slime, and he didn't really list a texture, so I'm gonna go for a memory butter because I feel like it's so soft and he's gonna have so much fun playing with it. I'm also gonna dye it royal blue because it matches the color scheme of Optimus Prime. Now, I don't know much about Transformers, but I do remember as a kid, my favorite car was Bumblebee because of its nice, bright yellow color. I feel like it was the quirkiest one out of all of them. Now that we dyed our slime, let's find some really nice sprinkles to match the vibe of Optimus Prime. I'm thinking robots, metal scraps. So I know that Transformers are technically aliens that came from another planet. So I'm gonna grab a rocket ship. These right here, these look like parts that belong on Transformers. And it also matches the rocket ship. And these brown cubes right here are also part of the Transformer body. Last but not least, small spaceships. I think this looks really nice, so let's go add it to our slime.
I also sent this slime like berries, so I hope you like berries, Santi. Let's add it to our container along with the really nice sprinkle mix with Nergal Rocket. I also have the coolest clay for this slime. We have an Optimus Prime! Okay, but we need to add in the details to this face, so let's get our piece. This is the coolest little Optimus Prime. What's even better is that it's a clay kit, so Santi, you're gonna be able to assemble this on your slime and then squish. But you didn't just ask for an Optimus Prime slime.
You asked for a Star Wars slime.
Thank you guys so much for saying hi to us at the Ren Fair.
Looks like Erin left her lightsaber behind, and now it's yours, Santi. Let's place it on our slime, and I have the perfect label for this. I made you a Jedi Master Prime custom label. Let's add it on our epic-looking slime, and now I'm gonna package it up, and you'll receive it very soon and squish the little clay kit into your slime. Thank you so much, Santi, for coming up to me and giving me your awesome slime idea. Now, the next one is gonna be a little spooky.
Our next slime is from
Piper! Piper wants us to make a pumpkin and bat themed slime, and it's purple, so let's go get our dyes. This slime is perfect for the spooky season, and you want me to dye it purple, so I'm adding a good amount of purple to this slime. All right, we got our dye and our slime. That's a nice purple color. And now let's get some spooky little charms. Okay, so for the sprinkles, I have some really cute stars themed after this spooky day. They also add a really nice pop of color to this purple. And then this is a bat and pumpkin themed slime. So I have nice, luscious pumpkin and some little candy corn, because I think this was one of my favorite candies. Anytime I went trick-or-treating, I would first go for the candy corns. And so for the clay, I was thinking I'm gonna combine bats and pumpkins, so we have a batkin. I love its little horns, but we need to give it a face. It's time for an art sesh. That is one beautiful pumpkin. She is ready for a night out and ready to spook some people in the streets. Now let's add it to our slime. Piper, I hope you like your Batkin Party themed slime. We got one more slime to go, and it's the baddest one yet, because it's a Bad Bunny slime. Do you guys like Bad Bunny? I do, and so does Leah, and she asked me to make a Bad Bunny themed slime. I love this idea, so let's go get some really colorful dyes, because Bad Bunny is a really colorful dude. We got red and orange, and now I think these are the perfect colors because Bad Bunny's album Un Verano Sin Ti has a lot of oranges and reds, so I'm doing a half red and a half orange slime with a really fun twist. Start dyeing it. Leah, when you came up to me and gave me this little card and I saw that Bad Bunny was on it, I got so happy. I'm a huge Bad Bunny fan. I've seen him 3 times in concert. He's always a great performer. Not to mention, he always comes out with a new album, and each album is so creative and unique in its own way, always a very cool theme. And whenever I go out dancing with my friends, Bad Bunny is literally what we play. He honestly really inspires me through music and everything that he does. He's like one of the most creative artists out there. All right, I love these colors. Kind of gives me like a fruity sorbet vibe. And so honestly, I was thinking a swirl would be cool, but I kind of want to change it up. So I'm gonna do like a layered effect. We're gonna do orange at the bottom, and then some of this peachy pink color. Also, if any of you guys are Bad Bunny fans, comment down below which song is your favorite. Mine is Titi Me Preguntó. It's such a bop. We did a nice little layered slime. And now let's add our sprinkles. I scented this like peaches and cream, which honestly really matches this color scheme. So for the sprinkles, I got a little bunny boba charm because it is Bad Bunny. And I got some little gummy bears because I feel like since Bad Bunny is super colorful, I feel like he would wear gummy bears on his outfit. So let's add some of those. And for the sprinkles, I got this super fun and vibrant sprinkle mix. It has some stars and some moons. And honestly, this slime looks just like the album Un Verano Sin Ti. Leah, también me hizo súper feliz cuando viniste y me diste un abrazo. Honestamente, quiero saber si tengo más fans latinos, entonces dejen un comentario de dónde son. Yo soy de México. Now let's add the clay. So I have 2 clays for this one. We have Bad Bunny's face and his iconic sad heart from the album. I'm gonna add his face onto the slime, and I'm also gonna package this little clay heart for you, Leah, so you can have 2 little friends that you can squish with your slime. Okay, but the label is super, super cool. So for the label, I wanted to do it exactly like the album. So the background is the album, and just like Titi Me Preguntó, it's gonna be Leah Me Preguntó, because she did ask me to make this slime. So let's add this to our custom slime. And I've never seen a Bad Bunny slime until today. So Leah, I hope you like your Bad Bunny slime. It was so nice meeting you guys in person. I hope you love your custom slimes. Make sure to comment down below some more slime ideas because I will include them in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.